Welcome again to Mr. M's virtual classroom. Okay, this is lesson number 2. Okay, 3D modeling, and you'll be using Sketchup Pro 2018. Okay, if you have been following me from the first lesson, okay, you'll know what I mean. Okay, let us just jump into this quickly. Okay, this is what we are going to be doing today. We are going to create a simple yet nice looking keychain. Alright, it's not going to be that difficult to do. Okay, if you were to follow through my step-by-step tutorial, okay, I am pretty sure you will be able to actually do it. Alright, so like what we did previously, okay, let us just start a new file. Okay, click on new, and like what we did previously, okay, we do not need this. Okay, delete it off. Okay, and use your pen tool, okay, to position, all right, your axis in the middle of the screen. Okay, we're going to use two tools over here. Okay, one will be the circle, and then the next one will be the polygon. Okay, so let us just start with the circle tool first. Okay, position it right in the middle of the axis. Okay, the dimension, okay, at this point of time I will just put it as 150 or 15 mm, as 15 cm. Okay, 150 mm. Okay, enter. Okay, next I'm going to use another circles over here, position it, okay, anywhere around here. Okay, but I will just put it somewhere around here. Okay, how big it is, okay, I will just put it as 8 key. Right, and then another circle. Okay, this one I'll make it 60. Okay, so you can delete off. Okay, those the unwanted parts. Okay, then it will be fused, okay, to look something like this. Right, so what we are going to do is, of course, we are going to also delete this part. Just click delete on your keyboard. Okay, next we are going to use the polygon tools. Right, okay, this one, what you need to do is you will need to position it, okay, right in the middle of the axis again. Okay, just stretch it up. You don't have to fit it exactly into the circle area, just something like this will do. Okay, again we are going to actually delete off, okay, this part. Okay, and we are going to actually extrude this. Okay, so we are not going to use this also. Okay, you can delete off that one. Okay, so let us just extrude up, okay, using the push pull button over here. Okay, bring it up. How much up? Maybe I will put it as 35. Alright, okay, and the one at the bottom will be about 20. Okay, I think that should look good. Yeah, okay, so you have something which look like a lock, right? Okay, but this is going to be a nice little keychain that you will see just now. Alright, the example that which I already given. Okay, position it again somewhere in the middle. Okay, now, okay, we are going to use our offset tool over here. Okay, we are going to make a recess portion over here. Okay, maybe this one, we'll make it as 16. Okay, for the distance, I think that should be good enough. Alright, and what we're going to do is we are going to use the push pull button. Okay, recess it downward, and then we want it to be at the same level as the the circular base over here. Right, okay, so you will have something like that. Okay, for this tutorial we are going to do this very quickly, because after this, okay, I would want you to create something which is entirely different from what I have over here. Okay, this is just an example. You may try this one first, and then after this, okay, you can actually create your very own. Yeah, okay, next thing that I want to do, okay, I'm going to actually put in my initial over here. Okay, of course, because I'm Mr. M, so I'm going to put initial M inside my keychain. Okay, so what I will do is, okay, on the left side of your screen again, okay, the large tool set, I'm going to choose 3D text. Okay, refresh your memory a bit. Okay, if you do not have the large tool set, what you can do is go to view, under toolbar. Okay, make sure that the large tool set is checked. Okay, make sure that this box is checked. Alright, if not, you will have something like that. Okay, so let us check. Okay, but of course you can still get it from the the getting started tool set over here lah, but I think it is a bit more convenient, okay, with the large tool set. Alright, so let us just close this. Okay, use your 3D text. Okay, but before that, what we can do is just use your select tool, click on the surface over here. Okay, the surface where you actually want to have your initial. Okay, click on your 3D text. Okay, and immediately you will have this. Alright, okay, for the size over here, okay, I think this is quite small. Okay, what we can do, alright, maybe we'll put it as 200 by 150. Okay, we'll see what happens. Yeah, okay, and then this one we'll change it to, okay, because I'm going to use the initial M. Alright, and you can choose, okay, a lot of okay, fonts over here, but let me advise you, okay, please use something which is chunky, okay, thick, because if you are going to actually 3D print this, okay, if you use those okay, typeface which is a bit you know, fancy like this one, okay, there is a likelihood that, okay, your text will not actually be printed. Okay, so I'm using shortcut Gothic. Alright, if you want to use the same, you may do so, but if you don't want to, it's perfectly fine. Okay, I will just make it align center, so it's easy for me to, okay, position it later. Alright, of course this one, it only have regular. Okay, some fonts may have bold, italic. Okay, it depends on the fonts that you actually choose or the typeface. Okay, so fill, extrude, done, and then I'll just click on place. Okay, you can see that the height is quite high. Okay, don't worry about that one. Okay, just click. Alright, and let's just see whether is it resting on the surface. Okay, it did. Yeah, right, but I want to actually rotate this. Okay, I don't want it to be on its side. I want the M to be facing this way. Okay, so I'm going to use my rotate tools. Okay, what you need to do is just position it on the surface of your letter. Okay, click once, and then, okay, you will have this line over here. Okay, what you need to do is make sure that it is about 90 degrees. Okay, click on it, and then you can slowly rotate. If you were to look at the bottom right hand side of your screen, okay, you'll see the angle. Okay, you can immediately put it as 90, or if you want to, you can just eyeball it. Okay, and then try to see whether it is, okay, rotated 90 degrees. Okay, so if let's say this is done, okay, if you are happy with it, press enter. Okay, or you can just click, left click. Alright, go to your select tools. Right, now what we can do, okay, use your orbit tools, and then okay, let's just check whether everything is okay. Okay, I think it's a bit, okay, okay, it's a bit slanted towards the right. Okay, if I were to look at it, okay, so what I can do, okay, if you are perfectly fine with it, then with this you don't need to actually change anything. But if let's say you find that it is not, okay, centralized, or you want to change the position, okay, you can always use your move button over here. But for now, okay, what we are going to do is I'm going to actually bring this down, okay, a bit, so you won't be able to use your push pull button. Okay, what you can do, okay, use your scale, okay, for 3D text. Okay, use your scale, click on it, and you will see these green boxes, okay, on the edge and on the left and right side, top, bottom, and of course in the middle. So what you can do is, okay, if you want to, okay, flatten it a bit, okay, use the one in the middle, okay, bring it down, and if you want it to be at the same level as this part over here, okay, what you need to do is you just position it at the edge, and then okay, it will okay use that as a gauge or as a guide. Okay, now I think what it is good, I only need to okay adjust it a bit, so I'm going to use my move tools over here, then I'll just move it okay accordingly. Okay, maybe I just move it a bit over. Okay, I think this is cool. Right, perfect. Yeah, yep. Okay, I think I'm happy with this one. Okay, now okay, it looks a bit plain. Okay, you can actually add in color. All right, but word of caution, yeah. Okay, if you want to 3D print this, okay, what happens is that it will depend on your 3D printer. Okay, if the 3D printer okay have a filament, only one filament, okay, it can only print one color, so regardless of whatever color that you put in here, okay, it will print according to the filament of that 3D printer. If let's say if it's a red filament, or okay, what happens that your 3D print out will be red, okay, depending on the color. But okay, if you can get someone who can print for you, okay, multiple color, so whatever color that you can whatever color that you put in here, okay, it will come out as it is. All right, okay, so of course the more color that you have, okay, if let's say you want to 3D print it, okay, depending on the 3D printer, okay, the more expensive it is lah. Okay, so you will depend on okay what is it that you actually want. But for the purpose of this lesson, okay, I'm going to teach you how to actually put in okay various colors onto your keychain. Okay, so what you need to do next is okay, you will need to use your pin bucket. Okay, click on it. All right, and you will have your okay color picker over here. All right, if you do not have this, okay, what you need to do is click on this okay selector over here. Okay, you can actually choose okay what kind of texture, what kind of color that you're going to actually use, right? Okay, so I choose color because I will just want a very nice solid color, so I just click on that. All right, okay, and it will give me okay a lot of selection over here. Okay, so all right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose red. Okay, click on the color red, and as easy as just clicking on okay your object over here, your 3D model. So I want the M to be red, and then the okay polygon over here, I want it to be slightly darker. Okay, maybe this is good. All right, so I will just okay point it to the area that I want to color. Okay, and okay it will okay it will actually okay fill up for you. Okay, just use your pen bucket. Okay, use your orbit tool okay to okay view okay all those angles that you want to actually take a look. Okay, sometimes you will have something like this. All right, if you encounter this, okay, don't panic. What you can do, okay, just use your pencil tool. Okay, click one corner and then go to the next corner, and then just click, and it will be okay close. All right, so if you have that okay situation, okay, just do this. Yeah, all right. Okay, I will not need this anymore, so I'm going to delete off. All right, okay, so I will have a flat bottom like that. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up yellow or some golden color. Okay, I think I like this. No, okay, I think I take this one. All right, and I will just fill up okay accordingly. Alright, so I leave it to you okay what color you are going to choose. Alright, and of course, alright, after this I will want to see okay what are the other design keychain design that you can actually come up with. Alright, I will see you again in lesson 3. Bye bye.